out here, we strap that on the back of the canopy. It's something nobody can do. Great. There we go. That's... Okay, what do we have here? Is this a DIY truck?
Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the engines, motors, and just make sure that everything looks like it's vibrating nominally. And then I'm going to jump up 10-15 feet altitude, and then I'll just kind of slowly make it rise up. Go ahead and rise up to the maximum of 400 feet altitude, and then we'll come back down slowly. Does that sound good?
Yeah. The PIG is running, right?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
This is going west.
Looks like he's going away still.
Yeah, it's going west. And it's way higher. That
Oh
one
yeah,
is.
yeah. He was supposed to know that in the vicinity that he has to pull the radio.
Our instrument is coming down.
Boy, that was odd.
There. So one, you can see this big metal, like a bomb piece, is the canister. With the canister, we will analyze over 70 volatile organic compounds in the biomass plume, plus CO, CO2, and methane. Then the blue triangle on the left, this is the passive sampler for volatile organic compounds, again. And another part, you cannot see it, but it's on the opposite side from the can. It's the online PID photoionization detector that runs every 10 seconds the data. So we'll see the profile of the plume. So it's running right now. So with the canister, we still have very little issues to open and close it. We're testing it. And then next to the can, you can see attached with the white ribbon attached the filter. So we'll collect also quartz filter for OCEC analysis, organic and elemental carbon. And then also we'll extract it and run on spectrophotometer and all of these things. So quite a few samples, really representative samples. Yeah.
Very good. Yeah, although if it's a public thing, don't say it looks like a bomb.
I know what you're talking about. No, I remember from the garage start, you know.
Bomb and drone, not a good combination.
It looks like a disco ball.
Yes, like a disco.
A little disco ball.
You have to be from the 70s. So
Thank you.
Oh, that's true.
And then we're going to add a few more things. We have a multispectral miniature camera, which is like 260 grams.
Can I take your picture with the drone?
Sure.
Yeah, can you hold it higher? No, to the
Like one of
left.
those giant
That'd be
Alaska
great.
king crabs.
Yeah, okay.
Good. So this is a little bit closer to look see. Although I guess once we land again, we can all
We have the
crowd in
solenoid
close to it
and the
and look
soft
at it.
tube to open
So
Yeah.
just about to take another flight.
And we're making measurements. We have temp, relative humidity, altitude, pressure.
Yeah, from the ground. They will open it in the plume. And our idea is to attach 4 cans and open them gradually.
Yeah, so how long
Because the middle of the plume, end of the plume.
approximately how long do you keep the can going?
Yeah, and before the can there is a watch filter, so you'll know exactly what the volume will go through the filter.
That's great. But how long do you last?
So is the red the front or the back of the?
The red is front.
Okay. Nice. It's got a horn.
The little camera. It's doing its little it's just doing its little gimbal self-test. That's about a 20 megapixel still and video camera. I'd say probably 95% of the users use some kind of camera on these things just for cinematography. We've got a radiometric thermal IR camera on order, so we might be able to mount it on the other side there where the canister is, so that we could have 2 cameras at once. One of the neat features of this is you can get another controller. So one is the pilot's controller and one is kind of the payload specialists, and so that you can have a camera operator while the pilot is doing what they're supposed to do, which is paying attention to where the aircraft is.
So what is your cell phone doing for it?
This is the control. The cell phone is controlling it with the app, so it's communicating with the radio controller here, and it's also receiving a signal of the camera. So the camera signal is being transmitted to here, and it's coming into the camera, and this is providing a screen and command interface.
But do you give it like waypoints or?
You can. I've not done that yet, but because the autopilot for this is okay, but not fantastic. If we were gonna fly the same pattern all the time,
So you're doing manual using the joysticks.
that's right. But it's kind of an augmented manual because, as you'll see in a minute, you can take your hands off the sticks, and unlike radio-controlled helicopters of the past, it will sit in one spot rather than completely disintegrate into a swarm of parts.
Okay.
So I'll go ahead and take it off again.
You've added to the weight? That you were working in,
Yeah.
the OAL lab.
Yeah, we have.
All right, anybody see any traffic? Visual observers?
No.
We all clear?
So the max capacity on this is about 60.
Dream job for my son. To play with the toys.
Don't say that too loud. Adam will take offense.
All right, so this is, it says it's at about 500 feet away from us laterally and 186 feet altitude. So under Part 107 rules, we can fly up to 400 feet.
So what's 400 feet look like? Can you still see it?
Oh, easily. You can hear it pretty well too.
I don't think we've met Lance Cullen.
So that's 400 feet altitude.
Yeah, okay.
So right now I'm going to make it go pretty far away so that we can kind of see how far away we can maintain visual line of sight.
Just need the fire pole.
Right?
Well, I was thinking we should have brought out a flare or something. We get some nice medals and things.
We ride social here.
There you go. We can fly it over campus now at an altitude of 150 feet up to half mile south. As long as Bob says okay.
So you can still see it up there?
I can still barely see it.
Yeah, I can see. I can see. Not in
What's
the
your
camera.
lateral distance out of
So right now I'm at 2,000 lateral feet away.
Display, which is about 80.
You can still hear it.
I had one of these sitting on my desk if you want to look at it. And I ordered 2 more. And
Well, it's good you're able to see it because I don't see it.
I see it.
It's there. You increasing height or you just pulling it back?
The line of sight is pretty restrictive.
It is.
You can't see it a mile away.
Out of sight claims that they can, but I think that's one of their lies.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I don't think I could see it a mile away.
Oh, I see it.
Well, the coloring as well, having the black aircraft.
Yeah.
It
All right,
is.
so I heard somebody call in traffic 2 miles west. So that's the kind of traffic we would like to make sure our visual observers see.
Yeah, it's over there.
Can you catch it?
Marco, were you paying attention to the aircraft traffic there?
This is, I think it's far, right? Height is around similar, but
So is there anything on this that would allow a pilot to know that it's there?
I'm sorry? Oh, no.
We don't have a transponder or something.
No, there's a company that I was talking to in Dallas who are from Canada that have a system that does a great job with that. Their software is pretty small. It would fit on this.
that one
I think it's maybe
this
only
is
$10,000 or
trying to land
$20,000.
off.
Flirty is going to be experimenting with it.
It's trying to land off, I think so.
battery life left?
It does.